Hello, little artists! Look at this friendly dolphin who's ready for an adventure. This dolphin is so happy to meet you today. Let's start by coloring the dolphin blue. Don't forget to color the backpack in bright colors, like yellow and teal, to make it pop. Great job! Your dolphin is now ready to explore. Look how cute and colorful it looks with the backpack. Hi there, here's a cute little polar bear all bundled up in a cozy scarf and hat. It looks like it's ready to drink some warm cocoa. Start by coloring the bear's fur white and give the scarf a bright red and blue pattern. Don't forget to color the mug with a lovely pink shade. Well done! Your bear looks warm and happy, holding its delicious cocoa. Great coloring skills!